Hi guys. I think that I have not done too many career related readings or finance related readings, and those are requests that I've been getting. So today we are going to do that. I will make it a point to include more of those readings in my videos. Okay. So today's topic is what's coming up next in your career. Right, we have three decks here, three piles here. Okay, pile one with the light blue stone, pile two with the dark blue stone, and pile 3 with the golden stone. All right, so I'd like you to keep that question in your mind. What is coming up next in your career? So this could be in the next 3 months, 6 months, right? And please pick your pile. Okay. Okay, so let's start, guys, with pile number 1. So, pile number 1 with the light blue stone. We will reveal the oracle after the tarot. So, the first thing I'm getting here is 9 of Swords, Page of Swords, 5 of Wands, and Knight of Cups. And in the oracle we have anxiety, which is strange because 9 of Swords is anxiety, and this is also a number 9 actually. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I think you can. And then we have attachment. Okay. It's another 5. So, right. So guys, what is coming up next? Okay, so first what I'm seeing here is that there is, I think you are in a place where there is a lot of competition, maybe fights, maybe conflict, and that's causing you some sort of anxiety. There could be gossip. I'm not seeing very good energies here, honestly, guys. And I feel that for some time you might be in this situation. I'm seeing you alone here. So perhaps, like, because you are probably in a situation, which is conflicting. I feel it's conflicting. Either you are having mental conflict and anxiety because of being here, because I'm seeing this like an attachment. So some of you, I feel either you're not able to leave that place due to some sort of, like if you're in a job, let's say, maybe you're not able to leave because of some sort of contract or something like that, because this girl has a chain on her wrist, right? So I think maybe that is the reason, because you're unable to leave that situation. I feel you're getting into this anxiety and things like that, and I do sense mental conflict as well over here. So I think this is going to continue for some time, I feel. Once I think this chain, this attachment is broken, then you are free. I do sense that you would be looking out. If you're in a job scenario, you would be looking out to go to another place. All right. Now, if it is a business scenario, like you have your own business, or please apply the format as it seems fit. There is a situation which is causing you anxiety, and it is going to continue for some time. Okay, there might be other people involved in that. Okay, it's possible. Let us take an example of like you have investors. So maybe you might get into a conflict with those people because of certain either some legal things, or maybe there is some work that is not getting done. There is something here about you guys. I mean, in the next phase of your career, there is something about you guys not being able to move out of a certain situation which is conflicting and which is causing you anxiety. You want to move out, you're looking out also, but it's not yet happened. But what I'm seeing here, because we have 2 5s here, right? So this situation is going to change, because I have a sense that you have your eye out, to sort of move on from whatever this situation is. So I sense once this is going to get done, I think maximum in, I would say 3 to 5, either 3 to 5 days or 3 to 5 weeks. Once this is done, I'm sensing that you are going to be moving on from that place. So for a lot of you, I'm sensing maybe relocation. Okay, so this is something like, there's a river, you need to cross it. For some of you, you are probably going to be relocating to another place. Maybe even looking out. When I pair both of these cards here, it's almost like you are looking for an offer or something, or you're looking for another venture to start or something like that, or you are going to offer something, you're on the lookout to offer some sort of collaboration to another person in another location. So I'm seeing a lot of you looking out, kind of like scoping out your prospects and things like that. All right, that's something that is coming up next in your career, basically. I do sense that once you have identified, once you've identified in your search where it is that you want to go, you are going to move. I'm sensing movement here, because I feel this whole anxiety thing, because all of these cards are about anxieties and conflicts and whatever, mental, emotional, whatever. It's almost like you're tied, I'm seeing ropes here and I'm seeing ropes here also. So there is something here about some sort of a contract, some legal binding stuff, or I don't know, maybe it's even like, a notice period, something like that. But whatever it is, right, you are basically coming out of it in the next 3 months or so. Okay, 3 days, 3 months, apply the timing as it fits. I also feel that you are going to be very guarded and wary, in the workplace. Maybe because, it's a bit, there is some toxicity here. If not with people, then it might just be within yourself, because you don't want to be here. Okay, so there might be a guardedness, a wariness about being in that place. I'm literally seeing this card here, like this person just sitting alone, and there's this lightning, and she's just not able to escape this room. So yeah, I sense, guys, that you are going to be a bit on guard, a little wary, but I do feel that you are going to be behaving in a better way. You are going to be not really, for some of you, I feel you might even get into conflicts with people, so please be careful about that. Okay, because you're too guarded, too wary, too anxious. It's possible that you might get into some sort of a fight or something, so be careful, guys. Do not let your wariness, do not let your paranoia make you end up in some sort of a fight or something. Keep your words sweet, okay, and very neutral for that matter, and do not internalize or personalize things. All right, I'm hearing that do not internalize or personalize things, right? Because it might lead you into something worse. So just keep calm, all right? You are getting out. I am seeing that, okay? With Knight of Cups here, I am seeing that you are going to be getting out of this situation. So please be calm about it. There is nothing to worry. You will be moving out of this situation. Yeah, at the bottom of the deck, I'm having, like this 10 of Wands. So that is like, it's almost like you're, like carrying the weight of the world on your shoulders because of this place that you are in. So career or business, but at the top of the deck we have 6 of Pentacles, which is that you are going to get balanced out, okay? It is going to get balanced out. It's going to get resolved perfectly fine, okay? And you are going to move on from this situation and feel very good when you do that, okay? So this is what I'm seeing, guys, coming up in your career maybe next 3 to 6 months. And let me just find out a little bit more about what happens once you move on. So we have 3 of Pentacles, 10 of Wands, 6 of Pentacles, pretty much what we saw, like the same cards. So yeah, you are going to be rebuilding, okay? You are going to be rebuilding, maybe in another job, if that is what you're looking for, or it could even be you rebuilding in your own business, something new. It will have a very strong foundation, I sense, and it's going to be work. Like with the 10 of Wands here, I do sense it's going to be work, right? It's not going to come that easy. You will have to be working for it, possibly for 2.5 months or so, 2.5 to 3 months. You will be working on something. Perhaps you would even be like looking out or setting up stuff, and that does take a lot of work. So yeah, I am seeing you a bit burdened with all the work, but it's a strong foundation you're building. And then maybe around perhaps 6 weeks or 6 months from now, I'm seeing 6 of Pentacles, which is an amazing opportunity. Maybe for some of you, it could be a loan granted, it could be some ancestral money, someone giving you money, gifting you money, or you getting, something that is very abundant, okay? Something that is deserved, something the universe wants to bring to you. It is going to involve good compensation, good financial stability. It's all going to happen, guys. I mean, you have worked for it, the scales have balanced, and you will get some sort of an opportunity mid-year, I feel. Please apply the opportunity as it fits. It could be a job, it could be a new business, it could be a startup, it could be an investment, whatever it is, please apply it to, as it fits. But I do sense that something very good is coming your way after all of this, chaotic sort of energies that you are experiencing and will be for some time. It's all clearing up so that you can build a strong foundation, guys. Okay, a foundation that is not going to be rocked the way this one is being rocked. Okay, this is you coming into balance within yourself, so that without also you are going to get something which is very balanced and which makes you happy, which makes you feel appreciated, right? I think with all of this that you guys have gone through in the past, your standards have kind of risen. You have recalibrated your standards and you have risen, because you are not going to be, I think, in this sort of a situation again. You will not allow yourself to be in this sort of a situation again, right? And 10 is the number of completion, and you are coming into that. So something very good is coming, right? but it is something that you would need to work for, right? But before that, do not get anxious, do not get into struggles, do not get into fights, do not get into verbal arguments, because I sense, pile one, that you guys are in a bit of a toxic situation or location or circumstances, right? I'm also seeing that for some of you, this could involve, like, an official romance situation. Okay, so maybe you feel watched by people, maybe that person is around you, and that's why you're feeling so, and maybe you guys have gone through some sort of fight or something, and that's why you're feeling so odd. Okay, for some of you, I'm feeling that you might feel watched. Okay, you might feel watched, or like people are watching you, your every move, and they're talking about your love life. You don't need to worry about all these things, guys. Okay, it's very, very simple. All of these thoughts about what other people are thinking is kind of keeping you attached to this place even more, right? You need to get out of that energy. I mean, who cares what other people think, right? It's your life, and moreover, you're going to be moving out of the situation, so it does not matter, and what other people think. It's almost like you're tying yourself up in these knots by thinking what other people are seeing, saying, or whatever, what opinions they have about you. Okay, so for some of you, I'm also feeling that there might have been some sort of a fight or something, and this might, or if it hasn't happened, it might happen. So please keep yourself well guarded, because you are like like a coiled spring, I feel, right? I do sense you need to go out a little bit to chill. Okay, you will be doing that, but more so in terms of the biggest aspects of what's coming up in your career, I'm seeing something really good, something very balanced, something like a gift from the universe, okay, coming to you. But after this struggle of setting it up or working for it or something like that. But rest assured, you're coming out of a toxic situation. Okay, do not worry, hang in there, don't react. All right, this is what I am seeing for my pile ones. Now let us move on to pile two. Okay, so pile two with the blue stone, dragonfly emergence, temperance, ace of swords, 10 of swords, knight of pentacles. Okay, rebirth. Right, so pile number two. What am I seeing coming next in your career? I sense that you guys, pile number two, are going to be making some important decision to end something. Perhaps a current job or a current business, something that might have been very slow, wasn't getting you anywhere, the growth might have been less, your talents might not have been taken seriously or appreciated. Yeah, I feel you're going to make some sort of a major decision. I am seeing with the Ace of Swords to end something that is not working in your life. All right. And with the taking of that decision, I am seeing a rebirth. Okay, so it is possible. For some of you, I'm getting a few scenarios here. Sorry. I'm getting that for some of you, it might be that um, you take a decision to move out of a certain place. For some of you, I'm feeling you might be almost forced out. Okay, all of a sudden, you are like, forced out of a situation, of a project or something. Please don't get worried. This is for very few of you where you are forced out. More so, it is more about you taking a call, very clearly to cut out something in your life which was not suiting you. Okay, and there is vast amount of peace coming after that. So if you haven't done that, pile 2, I'm seeing this happen in the future in your career. Okay, there is a rebirth coming up. There is a rebirth coming up next in your career for you guys, pile 2. All right, I feel that this rebirth is very much required. All right, it's very much required because I don't know, I mean, I'm seeing that, maybe in the past situation or the situation that you have been in, it almost seems like, like a next step from pile 1 actually. So you might have been in a toxic situation. Maybe there was politics, maybe there were people around who were not, who were not really in conjunction or in synergy with you. You probably felt very exhausted with all the work and it was just not working. I mean, it was the end of whatever you could take, right? 10 is the number of completion, so you did your work. And immediately after 10, we have 1, which is a new beginning. So definitely, pile 2, there is a new beginning coming in your life. Something that you might initiate mostly, all right? And once you've done it, I am sensing like a very you might even take a break, guys. I sense for some of you, if you guys are in jobs or something, or even if you are thinking of starting a new business or something like that, I do sense you're going to take a break. All right, and it is going to be very, very calming and very peaceful for you because I think you have reached the end of your tether here, right? And so you need a break. You need to balance your energies. You need to heal. Okay, you are asked to heal yourself and not hurry into something ASAP. You're asked to take it step by step, guys. Okay, Knight of Pentacles is a slow knight. Okay, someone who's slow but steady. You are asked to take it slow but steady. You need the healing, right? You need to like, I'm seeing that you are moving towards the rebirth. You are actually moving towards the rebirth here, right? After this decision has been taken, after this healing has been done, you are moving towards the rebirth. So there is no hurry. There is no hurry. This rebirth is happening. It is promised to you. So do not worry whether it will happen or not. It might be slow coming, but they're asking you not to worry because the universe has placed you, in this sort of circumstance so that you can heal yourself, right? Now, I do feel also now, in the next, what's coming up next is you kind of, after this was like an ending, right? So this is you getting back up slowly but steadily and emerging into your true self in terms of your work. So possibly this time round, the next project or the next, business that you launch yourself into is going to be very much, in line or in alignment with your genuine talents, what you like to do, what you want to do. It's possible that in terms of compensation, it might not be that great initially, but they are asking you to keep going, to accept, because you are going to emerge. So with your emergence, your compensation, your finances are also going to grow. All right, this is a period, the one that's coming up, this is a period where you need to be a little less taxing on yourself. Just take it one step at a time, guys. Everything is working out for the good. You have phased out the bad, and if you can see, there's so many flowers and leaves growing here. Something beautiful is emerging in your life, a new rebirth, the emergence of your true career. It might not be as fast as you wish it to be, but they're saying to just, like, relax and take it easy with that, right? Because step by step is what makes it happen. So bottom of the deck I have the Tower, top of the deck I have the Knight of Cups. So yeah, something broke down here with Ten of Swords and the Tower here. I feel something major happened in the past, right, for you guys, and now you're just like, moving on from there and moving on to something beautiful, something that is emerging. So let us see something, about what is really this rebirth all about. Two of Pentacles, the Wheel of Fortune, Nine of Cups. Wow, this is great, guys. So I'm seeing that for some of you it might be like a relocation, right? For some of you it could be two offers that you are going to get, and it's going to happen unexpectedly. I'm seeing that, the Wheel of Fortune, it's a very powerful card to get in your reading, because it's like, you've already faced the wheel being downward. Now it is turning upward. You are going to be riding. You are going to be on the high in terms of your faith, your life at this time, in terms of your career. And once that happens, you are getting to your wish fulfillment in your career. There is something coming up, guys, with the rebirth, emergence, and Nine of Cups plus Wheel of Fortune. This is you riding towards your destiny, towards your wish fulfillment. All right, this might be a little slow, right? And this might even involve, I'm getting that, it could be that there could be two things that you're involved in the future. Okay, maybe something which is smaller and another, something like parallel jobs or parallel businesses, something on those lines. Okay, you are going to be handling two things at one time, and this is going to lead you towards something. This thing that is coming up is going to lead towards your wish fulfillment. All your 9 cups full. There is a phoenix rising. So after death, there is a phoenix rising. You are rising up. You are emerging. You are rebirthing in your career, pile 2. It's a very strong spread. But before you do that, they are asking you to take it slow and heal yourself. All right? Because you need that energy, you need that power, you need that focus, right? To actually grab the right opportunities, to work to the best of your capabilities. Because the time is coming for you guys to actually get into something this time in terms of your work, because this is like a major arcana card. And I do sense with the Wheel of Fortune and the Temperance here that the next phase of your career that is coming up, it's going to bring you a lot of peace and satisfaction about the kind of work you're doing, right? Whether it is in terms of finances, whether it's in terms of work, or travel, or whatever your work involves. I'm sensing that you are going to be feeling very blessed and feeling very content, at peace with whatever it is that you have. I do sense that it's going to be slightly slow. It might take about 2 years for it to emerge full on, all right? But you are going slow and steady towards your wish fulfillment in an area which you want to be in, pile number 2. No longer are you going to be doing stuff, that you don't want to do actually. So this is almost like, kind of changed internally, and so externally also you are now pulling in changes for your highest good. So this is very positive, guys. It's just going to take a little bit of time, but this is what is coming. You are emerging to be your beautiful self, your best self in terms of work. And that's amazing, right? So now let's go to pile number 3. Right, so pile number 3 with the golden stone. What is coming next in your career? Rising above. Knight of Wands. Queen of Cups. 3 of Swords. 7 of Swords. Savoring pleasure. I fully embrace the bliss of life. Okay. So I hope this is fitting, guys. Right. So pile number 3, what's coming for you next in your career? I am seeing some negative energies here, okay? Someone maybe is not what they seem. They might be spying on you, or they might be hiding something from you, and it might hurt that this person is doing that. Okay, it could be a person, or it could even be something that you are missing seeing in your work situation, and it might cause hurt that you sort of missed seeing that. It is going to cause, there is some sort of a setback coming up in terms of your work. I feel that you guys are like, with this Queen of Cups and rising above and Knight of Wands, I feel you guys are fairly ambitious and heart-centered people in professions also, which are heart-centered. They are, which are passion-centered. You are doing something, which is a pleasure to do. But there is some energy here coming up which is not that great. It's either this is coming up or this has just gone, right? So for some of you, this is like, if you've already gone through something like that someone did something sneaky that caused you a lot of heartbreak, you are going to be rising above that. It says, I see only beauty and grace, right? And there is a lotus, and this woman is rising above it. I do sense that you might have been angry with the Knight of Wands here. I do feel you might have been angry about whatever happened or is going to happen or is happening right now. There might be anger here, okay? But they are asking you to rise above, all right? Rise above petty conflicts, and you are going to do that. With the Queen of Cups also, this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing that you are going to be, forgiving. You're going to be receptive, and you are going to let go and rise above whatever this situation is. All right. The other thing that I'm getting here is when I pair up the Queen of Cups and rising above, I think a lot of you here might be in professions of healing or something intuitive or counseling or something like that. So your skills and talents are going to be increasing in that area, I sense. This is almost like rising above. So you are going to be becoming more receptive, more intuitive, those kind of things. I think this is your skill set improving. And then I'm seeing with the Knight of Wands and rising above, I am actually seeing some sort of level up coming into your life. Your career, I sense, would be moving to moving on to a very, I am seeing that it's going to be moving fast, guys. There's going to be some sort of um, level up, some sort of some major growth, accelerated growth coming up for you guys, right? In something like your passion project, something that you love doing, maybe that is coming up. I do feel that you are getting maybe intuitive hits about it, and I am sensing with this that you are going to be starting something which is going to very rapidly escalate, rapidly grow, and it is going to get you into this savoring pleasure card. It says, I fully embrace bliss in my life. So I'm seeing that you're going to be pretty happy, with whatever it is that you started. I'm seeing like a bubble bath here, candles, wine, music. Maybe this could mean that whatever you start is going to help you get to all these things, the things you enjoy. Or it could be that this could be like a break that you might take, because I do sense some sort of accelerated growth happening here. So you might take a time out and break to sort of just chill, right? But yes, what I'm seeing here, if this has not happened to you already, pile number 3, I would like you to be careful. Someone is there in your environment who might cause some sort of heartbreak, in terms of your work or even your emotions. And maybe you've been very receptive about this person, but they are asking you to sort of, be aware, be alert. I also feel that, it might be for some of you that, you maybe because you might have faced something in the past with, respect to your work, you might feel like avoiding it. Okay, you might feel like, I just don't feel like doing it because, what do I get out of it, stuff like that. But you are going to change that mindset, pile number 3. You are going to become more receptive. And once you do, you are going to rise above and start doing something with passion. Maybe it's a new project. Maybe it's the same project that you are on, okay? But you are going to be rising above, okay? Now, yeah, it is a new project, I feel. Because at the bottom of the deck, I'm getting Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles is a start, right? So we are getting something like that. And at the top of the deck, we have Knight of Swords. So it's coming in fast. With the Knight of Swords and the Knight of Wands here, it's coming in fast. So let's see what this is. I had the Magician drop out. Page of Swords. Five of Swords. Okay. So yeah, I'm definitely seeing that something new is starting where you have all the tools to make it a success, okay? But I sense competition because of that, right? People have their eye on you, people have their eye on your success because you're rising above. But you are going to end up defeating any competition that is there, right? It is going to be competitive, however. I do sense, whatever it is that you're starting or restarting or whatever it is, there is competition here, but I'm sensing that you are going to be able to win over, because you see this person, they have won the battle and the other people are moving on, right? So there is that, right? Because you are the Magician, guys. I mean, this energy is the energy of manifestors, magicians, right? You have all the tools, the cup, the pentacle, the sword, and the wands. As above, so below, so much of abundance. So, there is abundance coming. You have the capability of creating abundance, and that is why you are rising, guys. Okay, so I'm seeing big things for you in the future. It's going to start with something new, I sense. Okay, but you are going to be creating something, as per your effort. I'm hearing, it's like, if you chill and you don't want to do anything, you want to avoid things, then you might not grow. But if you actually put your all in with the Knight of Wands, okay, you are reaching the sky. This is a very, very successful card. Pile number 3. Okay, and so, this is almost like, they've given you all the ingredients. Now it's up to you to make a proper dish, right? So this is what is coming up. So I think you should just, not try to avoid things. Be careful of people spying on you, people, not telling you, avoiding the truth or something like that. Do be careful of that. Keep an eye out. But mostly I feel if there is competition in this, whatever that you're starting, you are going to win over in that competition. Okay, you are winning over this because you have all the tools to make you a success, right? The bottom of the deck, we have Queen of Swords. So yeah, you are coming from the Queen of Cups energy to the Queen of Swords energy. Somebody who, knows how to direct her life, someone who's analytical, and that's what we need in the workspace. And at the top of the deck, we have the Star. So this success that is coming to you is going to last for a while. Okay, with savoring pleasure and the Star, I feel that this is success that is coming in for you, and it's going to last you for quite a while here, I sense. Okay, guys, it's something to do with manifestation work I'm getting over here. Maybe you guys are intending something, writing down something. There is something. If you're not doing that, maybe you should do that because you have a lot of power. You are channeling in energies from above. So do it, guys. Okay. All the very best. Bye bye.